Welcome, dear friends. Today's topic is based on anatomy and subtopic is upper limb. Bones of upper extremity. Largest carpal bone is the capitate bone. Ossification center for lunate appears at 4 years. The ossification center of pisiform bone appears at the age of 12 to 13 years. The third metacarpal has epiphysis at head. Scaphoid is most commonly fractured carpal bone, or we can say that most commonly fractured carpal bone is scaphoid. Lunate is most commonly dislocated carpal bone. We can say most commonly dislocated carpal bone is lunate. Now, joints of upper limb. The term dynamic stabilizer of shoulder joint is used for rotator cuff. Subscapular bursa communicates with the shoulder joint. Pectoralis minor has no action at shoulder joint. The main action of the pectoralis minor muscle is to move the scapula or shoulder blade. Metacarpophalangeal joint is functionally defined as ellipsoid synovial joint and structurally saddle joint. Upward rotation of the glenoid cavity during overhead abduction of shoulder occurs by trapezius and serratus anterior. Rupture of supraspinatus manifests as difficulty in initiation of abduction. Wrist joint is an ellipsoid joint. Wrist joint is formed by articulation of the lower end of radius, articular disc, and carpal bones, scaphoid, lunate, and triquetral. Adduction of hand at wrist is done by flexor carpi ulnaris and extensor carpi ulnaris. The weight of the upper limb is transmitted to the axial skeleton by the coracoclavicular ligament. Inferior dislocation is commonest dislocation of shoulder joint. Nerves of upper limb. Suprascapular nerve is a branch from the upper trunk of the brachial plexus. Root value of thoracodorsal nerve, that is middle subscapular nerve, is C6, C7, C8. Median nerve carries fibers from all the roots of brachial plexus. Erb's point is at the junction of C5, C6. Klampke's paralysis involves C8 and T1. Median nerve. Median nerve is also known as the labrum nerve. Median nerve is also termed as eye of hand. Median nerve injury at wrist is commonly tested by the contraction of abductor pollicis brevis. Median nerve injury at wrist causes loss of opposition of thumb. Compression of a nerve within the carpal tunnel produces inability to oppose the thumb. Pointing index sign is seen in medial nerve palsy. Apt thumb deformity is seen in involvement of the median nerve. Apt thumb deformity due to paralysis of muscles of thenar eminence. Nerve damaged due to lunate dislocation in carpal tunnel is the median nerve. Median nerve injury at elbow affects flexion at DIP joints of second finger, flexion at PIP joints of third finger, and flexion at DIP first fingers. Ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve is often referred as nerve of fine movements or musician's nerve. Deep branch of ulnar nerve supplies the abductor pollicis. Loss of extension of little and ring finger along with hypothenar atrophy is seen in injury of ulnar nerve. Froment's sign is characteristically seen in ulnar nerve injury. Medial claw hand is caused by lesion of the ulnar nerve. Low ulnar nerve palsy is characterized by increase in severity of claw hand ulnar paradox. Injury to the ulnar nerve at the wrist causes paralysis of adductor pollicis muscle. A cut injury of the ulnar nerve results in the loss of all interossei. Wasting of the intrinsic muscle of the hand can be expected to follow injury of the ulnar nerve. Adduction of thumb is lost in ulnar nerve injury. The term Guyan's canal is in relation to the ulnar nerve. Radial nerve. Damage to the radial nerve in the spiral groove spares long head of triceps. Injury to the radial nerve in lower part of spiral groove leaves extensions at elbow joint intact. ECRL will be paralyzed when radial nerve is injured below the spiral groove. Wrist drop is due to injury of radial nerve. The thumb action that is totally affected in radial nerve is trauma in extension. Lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm is a branch of the radial nerve. Other nerve. Axillary nerve supplies the deltoid and teres minor muscles. Carpal tunnel syndrome is due to compression of the median nerve. The nerve supply of nail bed of index finger is the median nerve. Muscle of upper limb. Perforating branch of internal thoracic artery supplies the pectoralis major. Serratus anterior muscle helps in forced inspiration. Winging of scapula is due to paralysis of serratus anterior. Teres major muscle is supplied by the lower subscapular nerve. Latissimus dorsi is inserted into the floor of the intertubercular sulcus of bicipital group of the humerus. Anatomically a muscle of upper limb but functionally related to the trunk is the latissimus dorsi. The muscle that crosses both the shoulder and elbow joint is biceps brachii. Biceps brachii is supplied by the musculocutaneous nerve. Coracoprecilius is pierced by musculocutaneous nerve. Lumbricals originates from the tendons of flexor digitorum profundus muscle. Key muscle of pectoral region is pectoralis minor muscle. Morphologically, palmar aponeurosis represents the degenerated tendons of palmaris longus muscles. Vessels of upper limb. In case of occlusion at the second part of axillary artery, blood flow is maintained by anastomosis between the deep branch of the transverse cervical artery and the subscapular artery. Arteries forming anastomosis around surgical neck of humerus take origin from the third part of axillary artery, that is anterior and posterior circumflex humeral artery. Anastomosis around the shoulder is for the connection of the first part of subclavian artery with the third part of axillary artery. Nerve running along with profunda brachii artery in a spinal groove is the radial nerve. Interosseous membrane of forearm is pierced by the anterior interosseous artery. Recurrent interosseous artery is a branch of the posterior interosseous artery. Important spaces and structures. Lateral border of cubital fossa is formed by brachioradialis. Abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis form the lateral boundary of the anatomical snuff box. Radial artery is a content of anatomical snuff box. Anatomical snuff box means fovea radialis. Nerve related to anatomical snuff box is the superficial branch of radial nerve present in roof. Radial bursa is the synovial sheath covering the tendon of FPL. Infection of index finger is spread to the thenar space. Breast and axilla. Level third axillary lymph nodes is the apical. Clavipectoral fascia is derived from costacoracoid membrane. Lymphatic drainage of upper outer quadrant of breast anterior axillary lymph nodes. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Entrance Exam.